Hello and welcome to our Identity Access presentation. My name is Charlie Hicks and I'm the Sales Director here at Controlsoft. We'll start this presentation with a bit about our background and then moving on to an introduction to our partners, our Identity Access platform, the software features and then the different identification options we offer. We've been in the access control industry for over 30 years with offices in the UK, USA and South Africa. We're ISO 9001 accredited and focus on open architecture for future flexibility. We are reliable and committed to excellence in all of our products, customer service, support and training. Lastly, our hardware is certified to UL 294. We've developed partnerships with the leading vendors in our industry, which enable us to offer the most suitable solution for your application. We're an HID OEM Platinum partner, UK IDEMIA reseller, and we also have direct partnerships with Iris ID, Acer Abloy, AWID and Fargo. The iNet door controllers are at the heart of the Identity Access platform. We offer two variants, a one-door and a two-door. The one-door controller can be used for a single door with reader in and exit button out, or a single door with reader in and reader out. The one-door controller can support up to 2 Wiegand readers or 2 OSDP readers. As well as an IP interface, it also supports RS485 for multi-drop connectivity with up to 16 iNet door controllers. These can be a mixture of one-door and two-door controllers. The controller offers 5 programmable inputs, which can be used for an exit button, a door contact, PSU faults, a tamper, and a spare input for use with actions and events. The controller has 2 relay outputs. Relay 1 is designed for an electronic lock, and Relay 2 can be used for an auxiliary output, such as a local door alarm. The one-door controller comes in 3 models. The one-door PCB is the controller on its own. The one-door ACU is the controller in a metal enclosure, pre-wired with the 2 amp monitored power supply, box tamper and power supply indications. The one-door PoE is the controller in a metal box with a 3 amp power over Ethernet monitored supply, box tamper and power supply indications. The two-door controller can support 2 doors with a reader in and an exit button out, or 1 door with reader in and reader out. The controller supports 2 Wiegand readers, however it can also be used to support up to 8 OSDP readers. The controller supports TCP IP or RS485 for multi-drop connectivity. It also offers 9 programmable inputs which can be used for exit buttons, door contacts, PSU faults, tamper, fire alarm monitoring and a spare input for use with actions and events. The unit is equipped with 4 outputs which can be used for locks or auxiliary outputs such as a local door alarm. However, when using OSDP readers, all 4 outputs can be used to make it a 4-door controller. Like the one-door controller, the two-door controller has the same 3 models. The only difference is the two-door comes with a 4 amp power supply. Both variants of the iNet door controllers support the following. They have storage for up to 200,000 card holders and 200,000 offline events. Doors can be configured for pulse mode, which unlocks the doors for a defined amount of time, or toggle mode, where the door will be unlocked at the first valid swipe and relocked at the next valid swipe. When ordering the ACU variant, the power supply monitoring will come pre-wired. Monitoring can also be configured for signals, including but not limited to fire alarms, break glasses, tampers, door alarms, and/or lockdown alarms. Now let's look at the software the iNet reports back to. The Identity Access software has been designed with ease of use in mind. In this section, we'll cover the key features of the software. 3 versions of Identity Access are available. Identity Access Lite, which is free up to 12 doors or readers with a limited feature set. Identity Access Professional for up to 64 doors or readers with the advanced feature set. And finally, Identity Access Enterprise, which supports over 64 doors or readers with the advanced features. Identity Access can be upgraded at any time without the need for additional software installations. Identity Access is fully integrated with HID's mobile access to make issuing a credential as easy as adding a token, meaning there is no need to have a second portal running for issuing mobile credentials. The software is also fully integrated with IDEMIA's range of biometric readers for a secure and yet simple user experience. This means there is no need for any other software to manage biometric readers or store biometric templates. Another benefit of using IDEMIA readers within Identity Access is the implementation of standalone mode. This means readers can be used without the need for a door controller. Simply connect the reader to the network and the unit will communicate directly with the server or your PC. Identity Access features multi-level lockdown, which can be triggered in the software or using a physical panic button. The different levels can be used to control the severity of the lockdown. Identity access is also fully compatible with elevator controls. Users can be granted access to any combination of up to 64 floors. The elevator can also be configured with a time zone and a fireman-free access switch. Identity access is fully integrated with HID's Assure ID card design software. After designing your card template in Assure ID, you can print access cards directly from Identity Access. The software is compatible with a wide range of card printers, including dye sublimation, retransfer, and holographic printers. Events and actions can be used to create sophisticated logic using a simple if this, then rule system. They can be configured to control software and hardware logic for custom operations, such as remote physical buttons to operate gates, counters to perform an alarm action when too many people are in the building, or snapshots when people enter certain doors. Identity Access has a server-client architecture, which means you can run it on as many PCs as required. Each operator who uses the system can have their own user account to log in with. This means you can keep track of which operators have made changes to the system. The access can be configured to automatically print the fire roll call report when the fire alarm is triggered. For fire roll call to work, you must have in and out readers on entry and exit doors. They should also be fitted with contacts for monitoring. Interactive site maps gives you full visibility of your building from one screen. You can import your building's floor plans or 3D drawings and overlay identity access objects. Objects include doors, readers, alarms, timers, and counters. Objects are interactive so you can control the objects directly from the map. Email notifications can be sent out when a specific event occurs in Identity Access. For example, email the office manager when a user tries to access part of the building they're not permitted to. Power supply faults can be set up to email so that you know when there is an issue with one of the door controllers. On screen now, you can see the full feature sets for Identity Access. Please feel free to pause the video now before we move on.
Controlsoft offer a number of different identification options. They include smart card readers from HID, wireless locks from Aperio, HID mobile phone access, IDEMIA contact and contactless fingerprint readers, and Iris ID's biometric iris scanners. HID are a world-leading manufacturer of smart card and reader solutions that we recommend for use on our systems. HID Signo readers are the latest generation of readers to join the HID family. Out of the box, they support mobile access as well as OSDP. HID iClass SE are the previous generation of readers. The readers support iClass, MyFair and DesFire with an option for OSDP and mobile if required. HID multi-class SE readers are identical to the iClass SE readers. However, they support legacy card technologies such as HID Prox, EM Prox, Indala Prox and other 125 kHz technologies. Storm Vandal resistant readers are embedded with an HID iClass module, however have a high impact resistant rating, which make them ideal for use in harsh environments. HID readers in combination with the Identity Access platform give the highest level of end-to-end security. At every step, the data is fully encrypted. This is achieved by utilising the following points on screen. HID's SIO or Security Identity Object Layered Encryption. Their Corporate 1000 program, which is optional, as well as the addition of offering unique key sets, which HID call elite keys. And finally, OSDP communication over RS485. Aperio wireless handle sets and cylinders from Aperio have a certified integration with Identity Access and the iNet control unit. The handle sets and cylinders offer an easy physical hardware installation for new and existing doors without the need for traditional cabling methods. Aperio handles and cylinders connects the iNet via an RS485 wireless hub. Each hub can connect up to 8 handles or cylinders within a 25-meter radius. Mobile access is the latest trend in the access control market. The HID mobile access platform allows you to use a virtual credential stored within your smartphone to gain access throughout your building. You can now also carry your virtual credential on smart wearable devices like the Apple iWatch. Here's an overview of how it works. The user is enrolled into the Identity Access software and emailed an activation code to enable the HID mobile app on their phone. Once the email is activated, a mobile ID is transferred onto their smartphone over air. They can then present their phone to the HID mobile reader as they would a card to gain access to the building. IDEMIA have established themselves as world leaders in the biometric industry, and we're proud to be a partner with them now for over 10 years. Select readers in the range will identify you in 1 second or less, even with a database size of 100,000 users. Most of the readers also come with an embedded web server, which allow you to enroll your fingerprint templates directly to the device without the need for a desktop enrollment reader. The biometric readers share a high-performance optical sensor that is certified to FBI PIV IQS standard. Most biometric readers in the IDEMIA family are IP65 rated, which means they can be installed outside without the need for a cover. Additionally, the Sigma Extreme also holds an IK09 impact rating for harsher environments. As well as having duress finger functionality to sound an alarm in an emergency situation, the readers can also detect a fake finger or spoofing attack. IDEMIA readers can also support the use of smart cards for storing your fingerprint templates. This dual-factor functionality also means you're not limited by reader storage, as no fingerprint templates are being downloaded to the reader. Simply enroll your fingerprint and then use a desktop encoder to write the template information to card. Select reader models come with an onboard touchscreen, which allow you the addition of having a keypad for higher security requirements. Companies can also upload their logo to the screen if they wish, which is great for corporate image. Fingerprint enrolment can be done on the terminal of select reader models. However, in most cases, a desktop enrolment reader is required. For small to medium access control applications, we recommend the MSO 1300. For medium to large access control applications, the MSO 300 is recommended. This is because systems with higher user numbers require a greater enrolment score to ensure a fast and accurate read. This is achieved with a larger enrolment sensor. In summary, Identity Access offers a flexible and reliable platform to meet our customers' requirements, with end-to-end security that allow valid users to flow through their building seamlessly. We offer a large choice of identification methods, including proximity readers, mobile access, and biometrics. The system allows for multiple IDs per user, which is useful when combining several identification options across one site. The hardware platform is scalable, supporting future development to our end-users' systems. Finally, we're incredibly focused on providing the best support and training to our customers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation today, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Please do feel free to reach out to us to discuss anything of interest in this presentation. Thank you.